Today, I am reviewing the HP 15.6-inch laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been using the HP 15.6-inch natural silver laptop, model number 15-FC0399NR, as my primary daily computer for the past few weeks, and I want to share a thorough, hands-on review of what it is actually like to use this machine for real, everyday tasks. When you are looking at an entry-level laptop, the market is completely flooded with options, and it is very easy to end up with something that feels painfully slow or frustratingly cheap. However, after putting this specific HP laptop through its paces with daily web browsing, word processing, streaming videos, and basic multitasking, I can confidently tell you exactly where this machine shines and who it is actually built for. Let us start with the overall performance and day-to-day usability, which is anchored by the AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor. Going into this, I knew the Ryzen 3 was designed as an budget-friendly, power-efficient chip, so I kept my expectations realistic. I was genuinely pleased to find that it handles standard, daily workloads with impressive snappiness. If your daily routing consists of opening up multiple tabs in Google Chrome to check emails, working on Google Docs or Microsoft Word, managing a household budget in Excel, and streaming content on YouTube or Netflix, this processor does not hesitate at all. The responsive feel is greatly assisted by the 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM. This generation of memory is highly power efficient and runs fast, ensuring that switching back and forth between a web browser and a document editor feels fluid. Combined with the 256GB PCIe NVMe solid-state drive, boot times are remarkably quick. Turning the computer on from a completely powered-down state takes under 15 seconds, and applications open up almost instantly. It is worth noting that a 256GB drive is a bit modest if you plan on downloading massive local movie files or heavy software suites, but for standard documents, school projects, and cloud-heavy storage systems, it performs perfectly and functions up to 15 times faster than an old-school spinning mechanical hard drive. The most unique and prominent feature of this model is the 15.6-inch high-definition touchscreen display. Having touchscreen functionality at this price point is a massive bonus that completely changes how you interact with your computer. The multi-touch capability allows you to easily pinch to zoom into photos or text, tap directly on buttons without moving a mouse cursor, and swipe through long articles or social media feeds. The response time of the touch sensor is very accurate and fast. The display also features a flicker-free technology designed to reduce eye strain during extended use, which I deeply appreciated during long evenings spent typing up notes. However, to keep this review completely honest and grounded, we have to talk about the resolution. The screen runs at a standard high-definition resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. While it looks perfectly fine for streaming movies, attending virtual classes, and everyday typing, it is not as razor-sharp as a full high-definition display. If you're someone who works with ultra-detailed photo editing or wants crisp microtext across a massive canvas, you will notice the pixels, but for general web browsing, schoolwork, and casual media consumption, the vividness of the AMD Radeon graphics makes entertainment highly enjoyable. Speaking of graphics and entertainment, the integrated AMD Radeon graphics handle video playback beautifully. Streaming high-definition content is completely smooth with zero dropped frames or stuttering. I even tested some very casual, light browser games and older titles, and they ran surprisingly well, though you should remember that this is absolutely a productivity and study machine, not a high-end gaming laptop. The physical design and build quality of the laptop are highly practical. It comes finished in a very clean, modern natural silver color that gives it a professional and premium look, resisting fingerprints exceptionally well. The micro-edge border around the screen keeps the overall footprint of the laptop relatively compact, allowing it to easily fit into a standard backpack. Despite the large 15.6-inch screen, the laptop feels remarkably lightweight, making it an excellent companion for students commuting across campus, professionals moving around home office, or anyone who likes to pack their computer for a trip. The keyboard layout is comfortable, offering a nice tactile click with good key travel that makes typing out long emails or essays a breeze, and it even includes a full numeric keypad on the right side, which is a massive time saver if you do a lot of data entry or financial tracking. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed out of the box, and it integrates beautifully with a touchscreen. The layout is clean and modern, and features like window snapping make organizing your open tasks incredibly simple. One of the best surprises during my testing was the battery life. Because the AMD Ryzen 3 processor is optimized to draw very little power, the battery consistently lasted through an entire day of casual use without requiring me to constantly hunt for a wall outlet. Ultimately, the HP Model 15 FC0399NR delivers exactly what an everyday laptop should. It does not pretend to be a high-end gaming rig or a heavy-duty video editing workstation. Instead, it focuses on delivering reliable speed, a highly intuitive touchscreen interface, exceptional power efficiency, and a comfortable design for students, remote workers, and casual users. If you need a dependable, lightweight, and modern 15-inch laptop for daily tasks without spending a fortune, this HP machine stands out as a highly practical and smart investment.